everyone, Susie here from Petroleum Service Company, and today I'm here to tell you about our selection of multi-viscosity ashless engine oils for normal use. Ultimately, being able to fly your piston engine plane at least 1 hour per week is best for preventing corrosion buildup. But for most of us, using the right oil at the right time is what keeps your engine clean and running at peak performance. Multi-viscosity ashless engine oils provide the greatest protection for your aircraft engine operating in a wide range of temperature conditions, as well as planes that aren't operating at all. Multi-viscosity engine oils make cold starts less harsh on piston engines and protect high wear areas. Additionally, multi-viscosity engine oils can be used in a wide range of climate conditions. At PSC, every brand of multi-viscosity ashless engine oil we offer will get the job done and help maintain engine aircraft life. The Phillips 66 XE line is unique since it works for both break-in and normal use. It helps minimize sludge and provides quick oil circulation, as well as operating in a wide range of temperature conditions. AeroShell Oil W15W50 protects high wear areas over a wide range of temperatures. Its high viscosity index allows fast lubrication of key engine parts and is for year-round use in most climates. These oils are available in gallons, pails, cases, and drums, and can be found by visiting petroleumservicecompany.com and in our menu navigating to Aviation Lubricants, then search by application. Select Aviation Piston Engine Oils and navigate to Multi-Viscosity Ashless Engine Oils for normal use. For PSC, I'm Susie. Thanks for watching.